The DJI Osmo Action 6 is here, and it's creating a lot of buzz among creators, athletes, and travelers who rely on compact cameras to capture their adventures. DJI has built a strong reputation for delivering durable and high-performing devices, and this new release looks to continue that tradition. With rumors of a bigger sensor, improved stabilization, and more advanced shooting modes, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting action cameras of 2025. But the real question is, does it offer enough to stand apart from its predecessor and its rivals like GoPro and Insta360? Today on Technify, we're going to break it all down. We'll explore the build quality, camera performance, rumored features, and see whether this device is worth waiting for. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if the Osmo Action 6 is ready to redefine your adventure shots. Let's begin with the design. The DJI Osmo Action 6 continues with the rugged look we've come to expect, staying waterproof and shock-resistant, making it suitable for all kinds of environments. Early reports suggest a slightly larger front display with slimmer bezels, giving vloggers and solo creators a better framing experience. The rear screen remains bright and touch-sensitive, keeping user interaction simple and responsive. While the body shape doesn't change drastically, these small refinements contribute to a more polished experience without sacrificing durability or compatibility with existing accessories. Release timing is a major point of speculation. Most reports suggest an autumn 2025 launch, which aligns with DJI's typical product cycle and keeps it competitive in the second half of the year. This timing also places it directly against upcoming rivals, ensuring it has the spotlight in the action camera market when consumers are looking for upgrades. One of the most exciting changes revolves around the sensor. Rumors of a 1-inch sensor make this release stand out. Compared to the smaller sensor in the Action 5 Pro, this would mean significant improvements in low-light performance, allowing for clearer night shots, reduced noise, and more detail in challenging conditions. Dynamic range would also see a boost, meaning highlights and shadows are better balanced. For creators, this translates to more cinematic footage and higher quality content, even in less than ideal lighting. Video performance could also see major improvements. Some insiders suggest the Osmo Action may 6 support 5.3K or possibly even 8K resolution. Higher resolutions offer more detail and flexibility in editing, such as cropping or reframing without losing quality. Combined with DJI's color science and rumored flat log profiles, this camera could appeal not only to casual users but also to semi-professionals who need more control in post-production. Battery life is another rumored upgrade. Talk of dual battery options with larger capacities means creators could shoot longer sessions without interruption. This is especially valuable for travelers or athletes spending long hours outdoors. Swappable batteries provide flexibility, ensuring you're never caught without power during a key moment. Stabilization is a defining feature of action cameras, and DJI is said to be taking it to the next level. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature a refined version of its rock-steady stabilization system, possibly enhanced with AI-driven algorithms. This could deliver even smoother footage, minimizing shake in high-intensity sports like mountain biking, skiing, or skateboarding. If true, this would make it one of the most reliable cameras for capturing dynamic motion. Connectivity upgrades are another area to note. Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi could provide faster, more stable connections, improving everything from live streaming to app-based controls. These enhancements also suggest a stronger ecosystem for creators who want seamless workflows, from capture to share. Finally, storage may get a boost, with built-in capacity rumored to start at 64 GB or more. That means more flexibility for those who forget their SD cards or need quick, backup storage on the go. Combined with features like optical zoom, faster tap-to-record, and improved thermal regulation, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a versatile tool. All these details show DJI is not just offering small changes but aiming to raise the bar for what an action camera can deliver. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is looking like one of the most ambitious action cameras we've seen in years. With design refinements, a potential leap in sensor size, improved stabilization, and smarter connectivity, it's clear that DJI wants to appeal to both casual adventurers and serious creators. While we'll need official confirmation to see how many of these rumors prove true, the early signs are very promising. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or extreme sports enthusiast, The Osmo Action 6 seems ready to handle it all with ease. Here on Technify, we'll continue to track updates as they come, so if you're as excited as we are, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What feature excites you most, and do you think this will finally rival the GoPro lineup? Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep your adventures alive with Technify. Until next time, stay inspired and stay ahead with the latest in tech.